Guys, welcome back to your another reading. Winters are already here, so let's get another energy check-in for you. If you found this video and if you're new on this channel, you found this video for a reason. There are no such thing as coincidences, right? So yeah, let's just get right into it and let's see what all you need to know right now. Also, if you guys are my subscribers and if you watch videos daily, every message is not gonna be for you, because I channel for multiple people, and maybe just one message is gonna be for you that is going to push you in an entirely new direction. So yeah, I think being active enough in knowing what to believe in, knowing what is really important for you, and using our own discernments, because even I love watching tarot readings. I watch other readers a lot, but I use my own discernment even when I feel like 90% of the reading is resonating with me. But the one thing that I feel like maybe this is not for me, I let it go, and that's how we read, because it's not our personal reading, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Maybe this gonna help you in some way. What does the person watching this? Two of Cups in reverse, the very first card. You might be facing some problems in your relationship, because I had the Four of Wands in reverse as well. I feel like the illusions are breaking. You are now able to see the true colors of people, true faces of people. You are now able to see the reality in the situation. You are now able to see the reality of the connection that you are in right now. The foundations are being broken by the universe, yeah, but there is an emotional new beginning that's coming towards you. Your intuition is really heightened right now. You might be going through some ups and downs, and that's for sure. If not, then I think you've already went through a lot of ups and downs with this person, and now you're actually able to see the truth. Now you're actually able to see the reality of the connection, reality of what is actually happening. Your intuition is really heightened. You guys have grown a lot. You guys have grown a lot. A lot. Oh my gosh. Gosh. I was gonna say gosh. You guys have gone through a lot of rebirths. You guys have gone through a lot of ups and downs in life. You guys have seen a lot. You guys have matured up a lot. And I think you are at a stage in your life where you can see right through the BS. If you know when somebody is lying to you, you know when somebody is not being honest, you know when something is off. You can read energies basically. And I think you're so much focused on loving yourself. I think you're filling your own cup. You don't give a damn whether people are going to maybe reciprocate or invest in you, because you're happy being yourself. You're happy that I'm loving myself. I'm happy that I'm able to fill my own cup, and I'm loving it. I don't give a damn if other people are maybe doing this, maybe doing that. You're like, but I want this. I love this. I am happy myself. I'm filling my own cup. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. I don't want to know anything extra. I don't want to know anything more. Career and finances, I think you're so much focused on making your money. I triple three, as I said, that you're so much focused on I think a lot of financial growth is coming towards you, or a lot of fame is coming towards you. You are you're taking boundaries very seriously now. You're like, maybe respect me or get the fuck out of my life. I don't need you. I don't need you. Love offer coming. So you have a love offer coming, though. You are gaining a lot. I feel like we are closing, as this is a timeless reading, so whenever you're watching, it is gonna resonate. But I think we are moving towards a timeline, because my recent video was just the same. I feel like we are completing a cycle. We are completing, and we are at the end of a cycle, and we are gaining a lot of karma, whether it's bad or good. So I think a lot of fake masks are getting off. A lot of people are realizing a lot of stuff. Even when we were invested so much in a connection, even when we felt like we loved someone or people or group of people so much, whether it's our family, friends, a person, I think we are now able to differentiate and see the fine line between the relationships and us. So for example, even if I love my parents, even if I love my friends, even if I love my husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is, I know when to stop and love myself. So even if I love you so much, I know when to stop and just love myself, because I come first. I think that is something the collective that I'm reading for is learning. If not already, if you're not resonating with that, then I feel like this is the time that is going to be coming towards you. You're going to become like this, and your angels, your spirit team really wants you to. I feel I'm talking to psychics, I feel I'm talking to tarot readers, I feel I'm talking to the people who are actually into some very like highly spiritual peoples, highly into spirituality. Your spirit team and angels are actually going to push you towards seeing the reality, like seeing the reality between, like the fine line between the relationships. Even if I love you doesn't mean I have to give my everything to you, because I have to love myself as well. That's self-love and self-respect. I'm going to love myself more than anybody else in the world. Maybe I'm going to love God more than I love myself, but I think you're just learning the right places to invest in, whether it's financially or romantically, emotionally. You know what is right for you, and you know what is not right for you. So when like you're making the right investments, you're making the right decisions, you know who to trust and you know who not to trust, and you know how to pull back your energy from the things which are not serving you, and also know when to overgive, and you also know when to fill the gaps between the fine lines. You have become so intelligent. You have grown so much. If nobody told you yet, you have grown so much, collective. I think you are already in a timeline at a place where you're the boss. Like you are the boss wherever you are in life right now. You guys are the boss. You guys are literally the boss wherever you are in life right now. You could be content creators. I see that very strongly. Some of you could literally be into finance, like something about the banks and all that. I do see that a lot. Or business owners. I don't feel like you are into corporates. Even if you are, I feel like you're really focused on investments, investing your money, really thinking about the future, thinking about the growth and all that. I was channeling something, I forgot it. I don't feel like you need to know anything else, like 737. I feel like let's just get some tea maybe, because I don't feel like I need to guide you onto something, because you're literally the boss. You don't need to hear anything. You don't need no guidance. You're doing perfect. You're leading your life in a perfect way. You're leading your life in a perfect way. But what is coming towards my collective who's watching this? What is something that they need to know? Your light irritates a lot of people. It's very obvious, very obvious, very obvious. You're unfazed. Nobody can defeat you. You're the boss. People are now accepting the fact that you're the boss, and nobody can defeat you. Nobody can compete with you. A lot of people from your past are realizing that you're irreplaceable. Oh my god, there might be a lot of people who wants to be like you because they really adore the fuck out of you. There is also a person who is so much into you. I don't know whose energy this is. This can be a divine counterpart, but I feel like it's you're not even focused on that anymore. I don't feel like that, because I think you're so much invested in loving yourself. You're filling your own cup very well. You don't give a damn about who is into you, who is talking about me, who's gossiping about me. I'm loving my life, I'm living my life, and that's all that I want to focus on, because I love my life. That's your energy. And if you're not already in this energy, you're about to come in this energy because you're watching this video, right? So yeah, I think that's all that I have for you guys. Also, let me know if you have any topics for the other channels, and for personal readings you can DM me on Instagram. The link for that is in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care.